and I'm coming to you guys with a video on how I get my hair to this platinum blonde color that you see at the top. It's about time that I touch up my roots, and I'm about to go to school, so I thought it would be a good time to make a video, and I will show you guys, since I get so many questions on how I get my color to the color that it is right now. So everything that you need is going to be super affordable. You can get at Sally's or your beauty supply store. You're going to need a mixing bowl and a brush. I'm going to use you need some powder, you know, good old powder and bleach shit. You need some bleach. I use 30 volume developer. I use the Salon care. I would not recommend going higher than 30 because your hair will turn very fast and it's really hard to watch. I use the Shimmer lights, conditioner, and shampoo to tone out the brassy color so I can get more of a white tone. And then I tone my hair with the Wella T18 toner. Everything's going to be listed down in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. Okay, so if you get the blue flash, this is what it comes. It comes in a little bag. I'm going to keep it in the bag. I'm not even going to mess with it. Okay, and I'm going to mix it up. You mix it up really well. You don't want it to be too runny because it's going to be all over the place and it's going to make a mess, but you don't want it to be too thick. So you want it like in the middle, and you see, like, this is too thick. I need to add more. Okay, so guys, this is the consistency is what I meant to say. This is good. Okay guys, this is the consistency that I like to have my bleach. Is like, it's not too thick, it's not too runny. I already put the Vaseline on the perimeter of my hairline because I don't want to burn my skin. So you just get you some Vaseline and do that, make sure you're good. The time right now is 5:20. I usually keep this in my hair for about 30 minutes, but before I do that, I'm going to take a comb and I'm going to run it through my hair, just so that I know that the bleach is gonna go through it evenly, so it can get up all up in there. I got a little. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start applying the bleach in the middle of my head. That being because this takes the longest to turn. Like, this is my weak spot. Like, everything would be perfect, all the color will be even everywhere, and then it'll be this like one little spot, and that's not cute. So we'll try to get that now. Guys, so now that I've pretty much completely saturated my hair in the bleach and it's pretty much everywhere, I went in the mirror and look, I'm just gonna take my brush and just go just like this, just to make sure that my roots are really like, because that's the main thing that I'm bleaching my hair for, my roots. I want to make sure that the bleach really takes it and it does its job. Okay, so the time is 5:34 right now, and I put the bleach in at 5:20, so it took me about 14 minutes for the whole process, but I'm gonna add like 30 minutes to that. So I'm gonna come back at 6:04 and I'm gonna see, just depending on what my roots are looking like, because my hair tends to go red and then it goes blonde. I see it turning red though. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes and I washed the bleach out my hair, and as you can see, my hair is kind of like this yellow color. What my roots are. There's no black. That was my goal. And my hair is as high as it's gonna get bleaching it. It's not gonna make it any brighter. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and tone my hair. I know this toner makes your hair like closest to white that it's ever gonna get, I think, in my honest opinion. So what I'm gonna do is the 1-to-1 ratio. I just use the top of the cap because I'm gonna do that 2 times actually. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm just gonna pour. I put about this much. I know you cannot. You may be able. Let me back it up. This much. I don't want to spill it on myself. I put that much developer in there, and I'll show you how much toner I'm gonna pour in there. I almost poured the wrong one, y'all. Y'all watch. you can't see that. You start mixing it, it gets like very jelly. Like a jelly is nothing like the bleach. The bleach was clumpy. This is like a jelly type, and it turns your hair purple. So I didn't even tell you guys what the toner does. Basically, adding the toner to your hair, mixing it with the developer, it pretty much cancels out the brassy colored tone, and my hair is gonna look like completely white. It's gonna look really good. I get really happy when I do this. Okay, so let me stop talking and just apply that onto my hair. So this is the final result. It's the next day, and I didn't get to finish recording last night because I got my eyelashes done, but I wanted to show you guys what turned out. I'm gonna turn around for you. I don't have any product in my hair. I just have water, and this is what it came out to. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and I'll get those out for you. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time my video drops. And thank you guys so much for watching.